forth, not just for Goland, but for Kenya and Africa as a whole.
Jogo manie sekta malimbe kwayo piny owacho mondo miombek chike mabiro chiwo thuolo ne ndeke mawuok e pinje ma oko gowo achiel kachiel e alam ndeke ma Moi Mombasa. Magi ne giwacho nyasi mar sidho jopuonjre mahayo 300 midhi sidhi bang' tiegore lony mopogore opogore motenore gi sekta malimbe kadwadh nam chumbi. Joja oko nigi ler mathoth.
En nyasi mane okelo kanyakla jopuonjre matiegore lony mopogore motenore korka weche mag limbe. Kae, jopuonjre go ne onyiso mor margi bang' tieko tiegruogno ma isiro gi piny owacho e bwo gucho omenda mar Kenya Tourism Fund e bwo chenro midendo ni Recognition of Prior Learning.
I was not able to do my exams, but thank God they paid for my school fees and I was able to do my exams. I'll be graduating soon.
At the end of it all, you get to have a certificate and you get to grow such that you can move from one department to another and get actually much more better.
Taaluma kama hizi iendelee ili angalau watu kama na mimi ambao kupata nafasi ya kujiendeleza wakiwa wadogo wanaweza jiendeleza wakiwa kwa umri kama mimi mwenye niko nao.
We train the people in the industry, those who are in the hospitality. And what has been ongoing here at Kenya Coast National Polytechnic was the recognition of those who are in the industry.
En chenro mabende geto chiwo boke moyiedhi ne jogo ma samaro ne otiegore tije makamago e lwet jomoko ma ok kuonde tiegruok moyiedhi.
Some require some upskilling, we do the upskilling. Others require just assessment, and the ones we are able to assess them, we place them according to the level of the skills they have, and we recognize by way of giving certificates.
But with the skills that they have learned on the job this time in this country, in Kenya, they can now be recognized because they hold a document that opens up doors for them to be able to work in any part of this world.
Tunapozungumzia kwamba tunataka wageni 500,000, ina umuhimu kwamba na sisi kama wadau tuweze kufanya kazi pamoja na Tourism Fund na vitengo kama Kenya Coast National Polytechnic kuhakikisha kwamba kuna wafanyikazi ambao wanakuja kupeana zile huduma wakati wageni watakuwa wameweza kuja.
Nebende gikwayo piny owacho mondo miombek chike mosebedo kama ono moko kuom ndeke mawuok e pinje ma oko piyo achiel kachiel Mombasa mar neno ni kwan welo medore e pachoka.
Tunazidi kuirai serikali itupatie anga huru. Haitakuwa na maneno yote ikiwa tutaendelea kukuza wafanyikazi wawe wengi, huduma ziongezeke, lakini tukose wageni. Wito wetu ni kwamba serikali iweze kuangazia masuala ya liberalization of airspace ili kwamba ndege za moja kwa moja ziweze kuja hapa pwani yetu na tuweze kuongeza idadi ya wageni ambao tuko nao.
Magi ne giwacho kabende gikwayo josiasa mondo otim siasa mar kwe ma ok nyal buogo welo to chutho e kinde ni ma sekta no geto yudo kwan welo mathoth.
Tungependa kuona kwamba utalii unapatiwa nafasi yake kuweza kuendelea, kwa sababu sisi kama wadau katika sekta utalii hatuna ukabila. Kabila letu ni utalii, tunakula utalii. Kwa tungependa kuona hasa sana viongozi wa pwani wakiweza kupunguza cheche. Tungependa kuona sana viongozi katika serikali kuu na Kenya nzima wakiweza kuendelea kudumisha amani.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Eseche ma skunde ma secondary duto ma pachoka osechako timo ikruok mar keto tim